guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday to everyone watching my video today. If you're not watching this video on Sunday, I hope your day is going great as well. Thank you all for joining me. I'm back with this week's CVS deals video. I'll be showing both advertised deals and unadvertised deals in this video because I normally go in late Saturday nights when my stores start tagging their items. There is no way I can do all the deals I show in this video because that's a lot. But I believe that if I do that and bring it out early Sunday morning before some people go to store, it might help one or two people out. Oral-B toothbrush is part of the buy 2 get $5 back limit of 2. Pick up 2 of the ones priced at $4.99. The 2 of them is going to come up to $9.98. We all received a 3 off 2 Crest Oral-B digital coupon today that is going to drop it down to $6.98. That's what you will pay and get $5 back, making both items $1.98 or 99 cents each. I'm showing the toothpaste in case your store have it, but my store, I think it's wiped out from last week. My store have only one of the $4.99 one. So pick and choose whichever one you want to do. Buy any Balmex diaper rash cream 4 ounces, get $3 back. Pick up one of the ones priced at $8.99. I don't have any coupon for this, but it's not on sale, so if you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal. But without coupon, you have to pay the $8.99 and get $3 back, making it just $5.99. The next deal is on buy 2 Kleenex cubes or flat packs, get $1 back. And they're also on sale for 2 for $4.50. Picking up 2, you pay the $4.50 because I don't have any coupon for this. I don't know if there is any out there, but if you have, use it. Then you get $1 back, making both items $3.50 or $1.75 each. Complete Advanced Blister Care 9 count is part of the buy 1 get $4 back. It's priced at $11.79 at my store. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal because it's not on sale. But no coupon, you paid $11.79 and get $4 back. Then check your Ibotta because I have a $3 back on this item. It will end up making it just $4.79 only. Degree deodorant or dry spray are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Picking up 2 of the women's priced at $6.79. You can do the men if that's what you want because they are the same price. My store also have this Pili coupon of $1.50 off of 1. I'll be grabbing 2. And the good thing about this coupon is I did not receive the 3 off 2 that shows on the ad that we're supposed to receive in our app. So using these 2, which will still be the same if I had the 3 off 2, it will take off $3, bringing it down to $7.19, and I'll get $4 back, making both items $3.19 or $1.59 each. Buy 2 Suave deodorants 2.8 ounces, get $3 back, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. At my store, it's priced at $3.49. The second one is going to be $1.75. 2 of them are going to come up to $5.24. I have a $1.50 coupon off of 2 Suave products I received in my email. But in today's savings set, there is a 50 cents there. You want to use that. And we also received the 50 cents in our app. But when I do this deal, I'll be using the $1.50 off too. It's going to bring it down to $3.74, and I'll get $3 back, making both items 74 cents or 37 cents each. Buy 2 Iris Spring Body Wash 20 ounces, get $4 back, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. It's priced at $7.49 at my store. The second one is going to be $3.75. Today we received a $1 off Iris Spring digital coupon, and you can also go to irispring.com and print out a 75 cents for the second bottle. These 2 items is going to total $11.24, and after the 2 coupons come off, it's going to drop it down to $9.49. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items $5.49 or $2.75 each. Soft soap body wash is on sale for $4.99. That's the 20 ounces. When you buy 2, you get $4 back. Picking up 2 will bring it up to $9.98. We also received another $1 digital coupon for this. And go to softsoap.com and print out a 75-cent coupon. With these 2 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $8.23. You get $4 back, making both items $4.23 or $2.12 each. The next deal will be on Old Spice body wash. It's on the deal of buy 2, get $3 back, and they're on sale for $8.50. That's the 30 ounces. Picking up 2 will total $17. I don't have any coupon for this, and I did not find anyone in the app. So you have to pay the $17 and get $3 back. Then check your Ibotta because there is a $5 back when you buy 2. After the rebate, it's going to drop it down to $9 or $4.50 each. If you really like Olay body wash and you have some extra care box to burn, then buy 2 any Olay body wash pumps or premium body wash, get $3 back. They're also on sale for $9 each. Picking up 2 will bring it up to $18. We don't have any coupon for this, so you have to pay the $18 and get $5 back, making both items $15 or $7.50 each. The next deal is on buy 2 Caress body wash, bar soap or Sennice body wash, get $3 back. Pick up 2 of the Caress bar soap 6-pack, priced at $9.29 each. The 2 of them is going to come up to $18.58. We have a $3 digital coupon that is attaching to this. It's going to bring it down to $15.58 and you get $3 back. Check your Ibotta because mine, I have $1 back on each one of them. That will be $2 back total from Ibotta, making both items $10.58 or $5.29 each. I'm suggesting the bar soap because when I scanned the body wash in the store, it wasn't attaching to the $3, but the bar soap was attaching to it. Buy 2 Neutrogena acne or facial care gets $5 back, limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Neutrogena acne bar soap, priced at $4.99 each. And these 2 items are going to come up to $9.98. Then use a 3 of 10 Neutrogena facial care CRT because it's attaching to the acne bar. It's going to drop it down to $6.98 and you get $5 back, making both items $1.98 or 99 cents each. Curel body lotion is part of the spend 20 get $10 back, limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the 13-ounce lotions, priced at $10.29 each. These 2 items are going to come up to $20.58. I have a 3 of 12 lotion CRT that is going to drop it down to $17.58 and you get $10 back. Check your Ibotta because I have a $2.50 on each one of them. That's a $2.50 back on each one of them, a total of $5. And after the rebate, it's going to make both items just $2.58 or $1.29 each. The next lotion deal will be on Eucerin. It's on spend 15, get $5 back, limit of 1. Pick up the Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotion, the 5 ounces, priced at $7.99 each. These 2 items is going to come up to $15.98. Use 2 of the $2 coupons we got from the 827 savings set and a 3 of 12 lotion CRT. It's going to drop it down to $8.98 and you get $5 back, making both items $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal can be a very good filler item if you have those high threshold CRT. It's on when you buy J.R. Watkin hand soap, 11 ounces, you get $2 back. At my store, it's priced at $5.79. I don't have any coupon for this and I don't find any Ibotta rebate as well. You pay the $5.79 and get $2 back, making it just $3.79 only. If you need hand sanitizer, the Purell hand sanitizer is on buy 2, get $3 back, and the cheapest one at my store is priced at $4.79. The 2 of them are going to come up to $9.58. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items $6.58 or $3.29 each. Dove hand soap is part of the buy two get $4 back limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the Dove hand soap priced at $5.29 each is going to come up to $10.58. Everyone received a 3 off 2 digital coupon according to the app today. According to the ad, I received mine, but it's not attaching to these items. But I checked my email and I have a $1 off any Dove product from Unilever. I'll be using 2 of them. It's going to drop it down to $8.58 and I'll get $4 back, making both items $4.58 or $2.28 each. Or you can pick up 2 of the Dove hair care at $5.49 each. The 2 of them is going to come up to $10.98. Use the 3 off 2 Dove digital coupon we received today. It's going to drop it down to $7.98 and you get $4 back, making both items $3.98 or $1.99 each. Pick and choose whichever one you like because it's a limit of 1. The next deal will be on the spend 20 on any Real Technique or Eco Tools, get $10 back, limit of 1. Pick up the Real Technique brush Everyday Essentials, priced at $19.99. This is within the 98% rule if your store follows that. If you have a makeup CRT or if you have percentage of CRT, use it in this deal. But without those CRTs, you have to pay the $19.99, get $10 back, making it just $9.99. L'Oreal Cosmetics is on buy 2 get $8 back, limit of 1. Pick up the eyeshadows priced at $6.99. Pick up 2 of those and they are going to come up to $13.98. Use the $3 instant CRT we got last week. It's going to drop it down to $10.98 and you get $8 back, making both of them $2.98 or $1.49 each. This is going to be another simple deal. L'Oreal Elvive is on buy 2 get $4 back, limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the shampoo and conditioner, mix and match however way you like. At my store, it's priced at $5.59 each. The 2 are going to come up to $11.18. We all received a 3 off 2 L'Oreal Elvive digital coupon today that is going to drop it down to $8.18 and you get $4 back, making both items $4.18 or $2.09 each. Garnier Whole Blend is on sale for $2 for $8 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Picking up 2 at $8, we received a 3 off 2 Whole Blend coupon in 910 savings set. It's going to drop it down to $5. You pay that and get $3 back, making both items $2 or $1 each. Garnier Fructis is on sale for $2 for $8, just like the Whole Blend, but this is a separate deal, so you can do both. And in the same 910 savings set, we received another 3 off 2 Fructis coupon that you can use with this deal. It's going to drop it down to $5 and you get $3 back, making both items $2 or $1 each. Off insect repellents is part of the spend 15 get $5 back limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the ones priced at $8.99. The 2 of them are going to come up to $17.98. We have a $3 in our app, but when I scan it, it wasn't attaching to this. This coupon you're looking at, I got it from coupons.com. You can print out too because it says any on it, so I believe it's going to attach. Using the 2 coupons is going to drop it down to $11.98 and you get $5 back. Check your Ibotta because I have a $3 back on each one of them, limit of 2. So I'll be getting $6 back from Ibotta, making both items 98 cents or 49 cents each. Scott bath tissue, Comfort Plus or paper towel, get $5 back. Pick up one of the Scott 12-roll bath tissue on sale for $10.49. And we have a $1 digital coupon that will apply to this. And also pick up one of the Scott paper towel on sale for $10.49 as well. There is a $1 digital coupon that will apply to it as well. These 2 will come up to $20.98. And with those 2 coupons, it's going to drop down to $18.98 and you get $5 back, making both of them $13.98 or $6.99 each. If you have a 10 off 70 or 15 off 75, add this deal to it. The last deal I'll be sharing in this video will be the spend 30 get $10 back, limit of 1 per card. I'll be picking up the Tide Pod 35 counts on sale for $13.49. We have a $3 digital coupon that will apply to this. And also pick up the Charmin Ultra Gentle 12 counts on sale for $15.99. Go to P&G website. There is a $3 coupon there that will apply to this. These two items are going to come up to $29.48. That's within the 98% rule. Then with the two coupons, it's going to bring it down to $23.48. Pay that and get $10 back, making both of them $13.48 or $6.74 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.